All right, thank you, host, for that very kind introduction. Yes, this is Midlin Rios, your proud Premier Affiliates, all the way from Hong Kong. Tonight, ako po ang na-sign na mag-discuss po sa inyo ng ating company profile and products. Para po sa ating mga valued guests for tonight, just open your mind and hearts para po makita po ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang opportunity na aming i-discuss sa inyo ngayong gabi. Alright, so welcome to our online travel and earn opportunity presentation. WCA stands for World Cruiser Adventure Travel and Tours Incorporated, or popularly known as WCA Travel. Who we are? Sino nga ba si WCA Travel? WC Travel is a duly registered company established in the Philippines in 2015. Since then, we have grown into a trusted brand in the travel and tourism industry with an expanding network of independent affiliates worldwide. We provide support through exclusive training, programs, and events and offer recognitions and rewards to our affiliates for using and promoting our products and services. Alam niyo ba, dear guests, si WCE nagsimula lamang po sa maliit na condominium unit within 6-seater table. Pero ngayon, tingnan po natin kung nasaan na nga po ba si WC Travel. WC Travel now present in over 80 countries worldwide and continuously growing. Kung makikita natin sa ating map, WC is growing family. Makikita na natin sa North America, Europe, sa Asia, sa Africa, South America, and Australia. Kung saan po, mayroon pong mga Pilipino, nandoon na po si WC kasi nga po, namayagpag na po si WC Travel. Just like any other companies, we also have our mission and vision. Our mission to provide equal opportunities for driven individuals to thrive in the exciting and lucrative travel industry through a world-class, user-friendly booking system designed for personal travel needs or building a career in the travel agency business. Yes po, kung magpapatayo po tayo ng ating ticketing business as a traditional, mahal po, aabot po yan ng 500,000. Tapos marami pang mga papers dyan. Pero dito kay WCA, ready na po. Ang babayaran lang po natin, 19,600. Magkakaroon na po tayo ng world-class ticketing business. Ito po yung mission ni WCA para po makatulong po sa mga taong gustong mag-ticketing business sa murang kapital. Napaka-generous po ni WCA Travel. And then WCA Travel mission, our mission to be preferred travel company, recognized not only for our credibility in providing exceptional products and services, but also for our commitment to making a difference and positively impacting people's lives. Yes po, hindi lamang po tayo puro negosyo dito. Meron po tayong social commitment. Meron po tayong mga gala night. Meron po tayong mga ganap dito sa ating WCA Travel. And then, ang vision po, malawak po talaga ang vision ni WCA Travel. Gusto po ni WCA Travel na matulungan po natin ating mga clients para po sa ganon. Ang clients na po natin ang mag-advertise sa ating ticketing business para po pagdating po sa travel and tours, si WCA po Travel ang maisipan ng mga clients natin. So now I am very proud to introduce to you our management team. Our Chief Executive Officer, Engineer Joven Diaz. He is a mechanical engineer by profession. And then our Chief Operating Officer, Attorney Merlin Villahermosa. She used to work at Napocor for 20 years as a legal counsel. And then our legal counsel here in WCE, Attorney Peter Castillo. With years of experience and a shared commitment to leadership, people empowerment, and ethical practices, our management team is dedicated to guiding the company with integrity and purpose. They view themselves as stewards of growth and positive change, working to inspire and serve others with humility and dedication. Yes po, ito pong management team natin, hindi lamang po ito picture. Maaari po natin silang makausap during po sa ating face-to-face presentation or ating mga events natin dito kay WC Travel. Makikita natin sila sa, for example, sa ating gala night, nandun po ang ating mga management team. At sila po mismo ang nag-handle. Very hands-on po sila. And then, sa sinasabi ko po kanina, meron po tayong dalawang attorney sa ating company. So, truly, WC is a legit company. Kasi po, alam naman po natin kung hindi po matibay ang ating management, definitely, hindi po talaga magtatagal ang isang company. That's why we believe that leadership stability dictates the stability of the company. Now, dear guests, I am very proud to show you the legalities, accreditation, and recognitions in WCA Travel. So siguro nagtatanong kayo kung legit si WCA Travel. Of course, legit po tayo. We have our global accreditation sa IATA. IATA means International Air Transport Association. Ito po ang pinaka-highest badge po sa travel and tourism. So, napakaswerte po natin kasi nga po hindi po lahat ng ticketing business mabibigyan po ng pagkakataon na magiging IATA accredited. And then we are registered also sa Securities Exchange Commission or SEC. And then registered also tayo sa Bureau of Revenue or Bureau of Internal Revenue. So meaning to say, nagbabayad po tayo ng ating mga taxes. And we have our mayor's permit sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Kasi nga po, nandun po yung physical office natin. And then we have local accreditation sa Bureau, Department of Tourism or DOT. And then we have other affiliations and memberships sa PTAA, Philippine Travel Agencies Association, and TPB, Tourism Promotion Board of the Philippines. So dear guests, alam nyo ba, last 2024, during our gala night, doon po na-announce na tayo po ay isang member na po ng IATA. Napaka-proud po natin, masarap sa pakiramdam na si WC po ay isa na pong accredited ng IATA. Pag sinasabi kasing accredited ng IATA, napaka-highest po yung credibility niya, napaka-high standard na po. Pwede na po natin siya ipagsigawan sa buong mundo na tayo po ay IATA accredited or IATA member na po. So now I am very proud po na ipakita po sa inyo or sasabihin po sa inyo na tayo po ay hindi po tayo nagre-renta ng office. Meron po tayong opisina. WCE owns an office located at Parkway Corporate Center, Philippine City, Alabang, Muntinlupa City. Nandoon po ang ating physical office. Once to our valued guest for tonight, once affiliate na po tayo, maaari po tayong pupunta dito by appointment po. Paano nga ba na-conceptualize ang WCA Travel? Pinagsama-sama lang po niya ang tatlong malahiganting trend. The gigantic trends. Ano-ano po ba ito? Yung trends na kahit kailan, hindi po talaga siya mawawala sa uso. Number 1, travel and tourism. Number 2, internet. Number 3, home-based business. Pag-usapan po natin ang travel and tourism. Travel and tourism, no doubt po, recession-proof industry business. Kasi nga po, nakikita naman po natin nung panahon ng pandemya, we are badly hit. Pero ito po ang nakakagulat. Yung gobyerno natin pinapaganda yung mga airports, yung mga tourist spot, yung mga hotels. Kasi nga po, alam na alam po ng gobyerno na ang travel and tourism, isa sa magsalba sa bumabagsak ng ekonomiya sa buong bansa. Take note po, travel and tourism is here to stay. Hindi na po talaga ito mawawala sa uso. And then, ang kagandahan po dito sa ating negosyo kasi nga po, wala po siyang market segmentation. Kahit sino, kahit ano, pwede po natin magiging kliyente. And then internet, as we all know, we have over 5 billion internet globally. Sa Pilipinas lamang po, we have 76 million internet subscribers. So napakalawak na po talaga ang ating scope or ang ating business. So sabi nga po ni Bill Gates na if your business it's not on the internet, then your business will be out of business. Kaya nga po, napakaswerte po natin kasi yung negosyo natin nasa internet lang po. Ang gagawin lang po natin, ipropromote po natin ang ating negosyo sa ating mga social media. And then nowadays, internet is a necessity. So kung wala kang internet sa buong araw, nako po, napaka-lonely po ang buhay mo. So number three, home-based business. Ito po, ina-adapt po ni WC ang home-based business phenomenon kung saan yung mga nanay nandyan lang sa tahanan nila or yung mga wala yung mga kahit ano po yung status ng buhay. Hindi po tinatanong ni WC kung ano po status ng buhay ninyo. Once na 18 years above po kayo, pwede po kayong ah, distributor ni WC Travel. Ang kagandahan po dito, wala pong pinipili. All walks of life, pwedeng-pwede po tayo magiging business partner ni WC Travel. And then, ito pong negosyo natin, hindi lamang po ito home-based business. Tinatawag na po namin ito anywhere business or bulsable business kasi nga po, kahit saan tayo magpunta, bitbit po natin ang ating negosyo. Basta meron lang po tayong internet and then um, meron lang po, nandyan, dala-dala lang po natin ang ating cellphone with internet, maaari na po natin magagawa ang ating negosyo. Using the power of these trends, WC Travel revolutionized the game changer concept. So ngayon, paano nga ba ginagawa si WC Travel? We have partnered with renowned travel institutions, networks, and industry leaders to offer our affiliates advanced tools and systems designed to meet their travel needs as simple, streamlined, and seamless as possible. Sinasabi nga po natin sa ating booking portal, we discover the world with just one click. At ito po yung mga gadgets na maaari natin gamitin. Any gadgets po, any browsers po, pwedeng-pwede po natin magamit sa ating negosyo kasi nga po, napaka-friendly po ang ating portal. So ngayon, Durgas, kung kayo po ay isang affiliates na ano-ano po ba yung mga benefits, meron po tayong 6 benefits dito. Isa-isahin po natin yan. Number one, comprehensive travel portal. A one-stop shop offering exclusive deals and booking solution to elevate your travel business. Yes po, dito po sa ating portal, nandito na po yung 5 services natin kung saan tinatawag po natin siya na one-stop shop travel portal kasi nga po once na mag-click po tayo or mag-select po tayo ng mga flights natin, nandoon na po yung mga aeroplano, lahat ng mga aeroplano na lumilipad, makikita na po natin doon mismo sa ating portal. So meaning, hindi na po natin kailangan mag-login pa doon sa iba't ibang airlines. And then number two is personalized website. A professional platform customized a showcase and grow your travel business online. So dito po, once affiliate na po tayo, magkakaroon po tayo ng ating sariling website. So meaning to say, magkakaroon po tayo ng ating QR code kung saan kung ipopromote po natin ang ating negosyo, i-attach po natin ang ating QR code para po once na ma-scan po yun ng ating mga kliyente, ma-redirect po sila sa ating website. At take note po, dear guests, mahal po magpagawa ng website. Pero dito kay WC, kasama na po yan sa ating package. Alright, napakaganda po. And then number three, unrivaled earning opportunities. Unlock infinite income opportunities through a competitive and scalable business model. Yes po, dito po kay WC, tatapatan po niya yung infinite gastos natin. Mamaya po, maririnig po natin, meron po tayong credible speaker na magdi-discuss po about sa ating infinite income. So to our valued guests, just relax po. Sit back and relax. Malapit na po tayo sa ating exciting part. So proceed po tayo sa number 4, world-class training and support. Access sa global leadership training and continuous mentorship to ensure your success. Yes po, dito po kay WC, hindi po kailangan na magaling ka na kaagad. Ang kailangan po dito, you are teachable, you are willing to learn, and you are willing to attend all the trainings. Pag ikaw yun, you are in the right room. Kasi nga po, marami po tayong mga trainings na gagawin po natin dito once na affiliate na po kayo. So, hindi po tayo mahihirapan. So number 5, IATA Advantage, benefit from partnerships that enhance credibility and global competitiveness, opening doors to a wider network and of opportunities. Yes po, once na IATA Advantage na po tayo, IATA member na po tayo, maaari na po nating ipagsigawan sa buong mundo na tayo po ay legit na travel ticketing business. And then number 6 is enhanced business tools. Stay ahead with enhanced business tools. We continuously update, optimize the affiliate portal to help you maximize earnings and simplify your business operations. Yes po, dito po, napaka-generous po ni WC Travel kasi nga po patuloy po na ini-enhance ang ating portal. Pero take note, wala na po tayong binabayaran pa. Yung bayad natin, one-time payment, lifetime access, and transferable po sa ating loved ones. So, swerte po natin dito kay WCU Travel. So now, proceed na po tayo. Paano ba tayo magsisimula dito? Meron lamang pong tayong dalawang produkto. Kung ano po yung mapupusuan ninyo, pareho pong maganda yan. So, i-discuss ko lang po sa ating 1-year access, we have ECP Economic Class Package. Ito po, nagkakahalaga lang po 19,800. Ito po is isang 1-year lamang po. 1 year access to a premier one-stop shop travel portal. So meaning to say, makagamit po natin ang ating portal in 1 year lang po. And then can avail, sell, and promote products offered via booking portal. Comprehensive travel services, handle local and international bookings for airline tickets, hotel accommodations, tour packages, visa assistance, and travel insurance. Dito po sa ating economic class package, napapaloob po ito. Mayroon po tayong dalawang services. Maaari po nating i-enjoy yan. And then, we have exclusive deals and promos. And take note there, guys, kung gusto mo naman po na wala ng renewal, gusto mo lifetime business, maaari naman po natin itong i-upgrade. Can be upgraded to BCP within 30 days upon registration to unlock even greater benefits. So ano po ba yung sinasabi natin na BCP? Ito po yung bestseller natin. Ito po yung pang lifetime access. So BCP natin, business class package, worth of 19,600. With consistent use, you can enjoy lifetime access to your very own one-stop shop travel portal. Pareha lamang po ito sa sa ECP. Meron po ito. Yung 5 nating serbisyo, pwede po natin itong i-enjoy. Earn and save easily, book, consume, and sell a wide range of travel products. Arrange local international bookings for airline tickets, hotels, tour packages, visa assistance, and travel insurance, all in one place na po ito. So meaning to say, one-stop shop travel portal na siya. Add unlock exclusive travel deals and promotion. At ito lamang po ang wala po sa 1-year access natin. Be part of an exciting rewards plan with the options to enjoy traditional benefits as you grow. Kasi nga po, yung 1-year access natin, exclusive lang po siya sa bookings. Hindi ka po maaaring mag-share doon. Unless if i-upgrade po natin within 1 month po. So, dito po sa BCP, ma-enjoy po natin ang ating sharing. Ma-enjoy po natin ang ating rewards plan. So, napakaganda po. So, sa aming dear guest, nire-recommend po namin ito, yung BCP natin. So, subject to company policies, terms, and conditions. So, that's it. I hope na impart ko po sa inyo ang ating napakagandang company profile and products. So, our valued guest for tonight, huwag na po tayong magpatumpik-tumpik. Just grab this opportunity para po magsama-sama na po tayo dito kay WCA Travel. Once again, this is Medellin Rios, your proud premier affiliates, all the way from Hong Kong. Back to your host. Thank you so much.